Hey everyone, so I thought I'd start a new series on these two cherry trees that we bought. The first one's right here. It is a Royal Anne cherry, which is similar to the Rainier cherries. If you've ever seen them in a supermarket, it's almost like a mix of a little bit of a red, a little bit of yellow. Almost reminds me of those pineapple big sticks in terms of color on the outside, not in taste. But they're one of my wife's favorites. And thought I'd start this series on these cherry trees. So we got this tree and another tree I'll show in a little bit about 6 months ago. We do plan on keeping them in the pot because we don't want to keep them in the ground. Hopefully they'll produce while being able to stay a decent size. They have, as you can tell, it doesn't look that great right now, but it seems to be its normal cycle is what I'm understanding. If you can see here a little bit closer, you can see these little buds here, and they're all over. And I feel like these are little buds that will grow in the springtime. In the meantime, you'll see all these buds all over since it is the fall right now, and the leaves are starting to fall. So this is a single variety, and that we're really excited about. And I will now bring you over to our other cherry tree that we also saw at Home Depot. And this one, they're all red cherries. It looks very similar. It's all missing leaves. As you can tell, it's got all those little buds there that I was mentioning earlier. Now, the reason why we also got this one is because this is a multi-variety, or what my family likes to call a fruit salad tree. These have three different varieties. So there's a Van cherry on this main branch right here, and they've grafted the Lappin's cherry right here on this other branch, and the Sweetheart cherry on this final branch. So we should get three different types of varieties, and again, we're going to keep this one in the pot as well. So hoping to provide more updates, hoping to see how well these multi-variety trees do as well, and see how it goes along the way. All right, thanks everyone.